Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best toddlers pianos available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have Conomus Toddlers Piano. The piano toy comes with multi-angle adjustable microphone. It is suitable for kids between 1 and 3 years old. Its feet brackets are easy to install or remove. That's providing with the optimal comfort playing and singing for kids. There are 22 demo songs which can be played in 4 musical instruments and 8 percussion instruments. The kids can experience the different sounds of the same song. It is durable and non-toxic. Although it is recommended for 3-year-old. It comes with an audio cable to connect your phone, MP3 PC or iPad to the piano for playing music. It's a great birthday and Christmas gift to develop toddler musical talent at an early age. At number 6 we have Love&Mini Toddlers Piano. This piano keyboard toy is durable and bright with 24 keys, 22 demo songs. Also 4 musical instruments, 8 percussion instruments, different volume and rhythms, play and record. It is equipped with microphone. It comes with 3 piano legs, they are movable and easily assemble. The lid of the piano can be opened with a support rod to adjust the height of the lid. This keyboard piano toy is a perfect gift for your baby, which providing happiness and keeping their innocence in the early ages. It is made from high-quality ABS plastic, non-toxic, environmental friendly to baby. At number 5 we have Hape Toddlers Piano. The Hape grand piano is the perfect beginning instrument for little musicians with small hands and a desire to play. You can create melodic piano solos or lead a complete musical. It encourages children to develop rhythmic and melodic abilities, as they discover the world of music at their fingertips. It is made from wood sourced from environmentally sustainable forests. It has durable child-safe paint finish and solid wood construction are hallmarks of Hape toys. The deluxe white grand piano enables children to explore the wonder of music and create their own mini symphonies. Its power-saving mode automatically activates if left inactive for more than 2 minutes. At number 4 we have OKREVIEW Toddlers Piano. The pink piano keyboard toy is very cute and can help children develop rhythm and musical skills, and can improve attention, memory, exercise ability and creativity. This baby girl piano toy has the latest smart technology. As long as it is idle for more than 2 minutes in the power on state, it will automatically enter the standby state, which can save power and energy. If you want to wake it up you only need to press any key of the piano toy. The piano musical keyboard crafted out of durable and non-toxic ABS plastic for health safety. The surface of the musical piano has no prominent edges and corners, which will not scratch the baby's soft skin. At number 3 we have Love&Mini Toddlers Piano. The baby piano musical keyboard crafted out of durable and non-toxic ABS plastic for health safety and wear resistance, years of enjoyable use. This piano toddler toys can help children develop rhythm and musical skills, and can improve attention, memory, exercise ability and creativity. This pink piano keyboard toy is very cute and is the best choice for baby Christmas and birthday gifts. It is very suitable for family gatherings. At number 2 we have Hape Toddlers Piano. It is made of safe ABS plastic and smooth edges which can prevent children from getting hurt. This kid's keyboard piano is also not easy to be broken because of its durable material. This beautiful design and color will attract your kids' attention. When the toy is dirty you can clean it with a dry cloth. This musical learning piano toy is an ideal for gifts for your kids' Christmas birthday gift. It comes with the teaching function of 3 guide modes and a working microphone. This girls can pop up the whole song according to the button of the light. At number 1 we have ZMZS Toddlers Piano. Music is one of the great joys of childhood. It's a great Christmas gift to develop kids' musical talent at an early age, especially suited for babies. The piano toy will play a reminder musical tone and auto power off after 1 minute of inactivity. The piano keyboard set comes with 22 keys, 4 musical instruments, 1 applause sound. Also 3 animal sound, different volume and rhythms, karaoke LED equipped with microphone. Another funny playset is press switch muisk. It will play different songs after push different keys. 22 keys will play 22 demo songs. It is perfect choice from toddler toys 12-18 months. Now it's your turn, let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best toddlers pianos for your need.